Hi guys, it's Seth. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. Can you believe it? Those Russian forces just can't seem to get a grip on Krynky from the Ukrainians, and they are struggling to wipe out the Ukrainian bridgehead on the left side of Kherson. Even with several Russian brigades surrounding them, the Ukrainians with only a few hundred soldiers are holding their ground. And to top it off, Russian Defense Minister Shougu had the audacity to proclaim Krynky as liberated. But that claim came back to bite him hard.
1 week after Shougu declared Krynky liberated, the Krynky bridgehead could be expanded somewhat again. This fact is being confirmed. And this are Russian losses on the left bank.
Тут мало чего интересного. Обычно такого не. Вот, а это УАЗик. На нем ДШК паленая. Потрясающая вещь.
Ты можешь его попробовать восстановить.
Это, да. Вау. Надо брать. Надо брать. Тут еще лопата. В общем, вот такие потрясающие находки. Тра-та-та-та-та-та.
Explosions rang out at night in Dzержinsk, Nizhny Novgorod region of the Russian Federation. There is a military plant that specializes in the manufacture of ammunition. The local authorities immediately declare that the plant is working, and the unknown UAV was shot down by air defense. Although judging by the sounds, something is already not working. Does Russian aggression concern you? No, because I watched Tucker Carlson's interview. Putin don't really want to do anything.
Does Russian aggression concern you that they could? Why not?
Because I watched Tucker Carlson's interview. Putin don't really want to do anything. You know, I think that's old news. I don't really think that he wants to do anything.
Do you think that Russia has ill intent towards the United States?
I don't. No, I don't. After watching the interview with Tucker Carlson, I do not.
Russian telegram channels report that the Pantsir-S anti-aircraft missile system that had an accident in Sochi, Russia, was supposed to be on combat duty before Putin's arrival at his Bocharov-Ruche residence. On March 2nd, a youth festival will start in Sochi. Putin will attend a youth rally and speak to the guests. Now, Putin's security faces a dilemma. These systems are rare now. Such an accident will put it out of action for a long time, but a replacement will apparently have to be found elsewhere, thus weakening protection of that area. According to sources of the VCHK OGPU telegram channel, such an accident is a typical problem of the Pantsir system. Initially, this air defense system created in the USSR was supposed to be on a different chassis. But due to the collapse of the Soviet Union, they could not find a proper alternative and installed it on the Kamaz chassis, which was not designed for the given dimensions and weight. A flight of 6 Russian Su-25 attack aircraft in the Avdiivsky direction. This is why Ukraine needs those F-16s. These Russian bastards need a little competition so as they don't get so cocky. Another Moldovan region has asked for Russia's protection. Gagauzia is a small autonomous region within Moldova. In fact, it is 3 small cities, including the capital, Comrat, and a little more than 20 villages in the south of the country. In the summer of 2023, Moscow succeeded in electing a loyal leader of the autonomy, Yevgenia Gutzel from the pro-Russian SOR party. Actually, party support is all that voters knew about her, and high trust in Russian propaganda. This was enough for victory. Even then, experts noted that by gaining official control over a region loyal to Russia, the Kremlin would move to destabilize Moldova. The head of Moldova's autonomous region of Gagauzia, Yevgenia Gutsul, arrived in Moscow today. She met with Valentina Matvinko, chairman of the Federation Council of the Russian Federation. Gutsul said that the rights of the region are oppressed by Moldova. It crosses all borders, and the region asks for Russia's support. Moldovan President Maya Sandu earlier reported that Gagauzia is undergoing a large-scale propaganda campaign by Moscow against the country's leadership and EU benefits.
Автономное территориальное образование Гагаузия, который заботится о своих гражданах, который хочет развиваться, который хочет повышать уровень благосостояния своих граждан. И если руководители Гагаузии настроены на такое взаимодействие, еще раз хочу сказать, что мы, как Палата регионов, будем оказывать всемирное содействие и укреплять и расширять наши связи. Никто, ни нам, ни вам не может запретить. Есть двусторонние соглашения между субъектами Федерации и Гагаузией. Они могут и должны реализовываться при, конечно, содействии и поддержке Палаты регионов. Еще раз рада вас искренне приветствовать.
Спасибо. Спасибо, Валентина Ивановна. Спасибо за поздравления. Спасибо за эту встречу. На самом деле это очень важная встреча для меня, для Дмитрия Георгиевича и для всего гагаузского народа. Хочу сказать, что вы правильно отметили, что, к сожалению, сейчас то, что происходит у нас в Гагаузии, как притесняются наши права со стороны центральных властей, то это уже переходит все границы. Мы с Российской Федерацией очень многие года, десятилетия дружили, были в хороших взаимоотношениях. Мы хотим дальше продолжать, мы хотим дальше, и чтобы у нас была поддержка от Российской Федерации. Мы хотим как минимум доезжать до России без пересадки.
Thank you guys for watching this video. We are monitoring this situation in Krynky and we will report on any changes. Stay with Warthog Defense. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.